Okay, here we go. NTI Day 3, A-Day, January 15th, 2025. Let's get this going here. You could pause it if you want to read the district instructions for what A-Day is supposed to be like. I will make sure that you have the 3 days to turn this in once we get back to school, along with everything else. I'll change the lock dates on that. But do get these in. I'm putting grades in as we go today so that maybe gets you prompted to turn stuff in. I decided to add a little explosive graphic to our slide to make it kind of scary. So anyway, I feel kind of like this graphic here today. All right, let's go right into Introduction to Media Arts. Ed Puzzle, first movie camera crash course, film history, number 2. Click on it, takes you here. Click on another button that used to be here, and it takes you here. Again, this is work we would have been doing in class anyway. The first 2 weeks of January always have days like this. We have other stuff going on, freshman showcase. We're cleaning up the classroom, so this is stuff we're doing in the background. There will be a small summative project to show that we learned about the history of film. When we're done with these, we're not going to do all of them. We're going to I think we go up to 6 and then we skip around a little bit. So let's see. That's it for Introduction to Media Arts. The film production class, A3. You are also doing an Ed Puzzle, and it is also a crash course. But again, click here, go here. This is the Lily Gladstone one. This is work that we're doing for... this is learning about the different roles in a film unit, in a film production unit. So, again, it's stuff that we have to learn for the dual credit, and this is a good time of year to have this content. This crash courses are, they go fast, they present everything we need to know, and they're kind of entertaining. So, there's a lot of questions here, but, what else are you going to do today? Next up, broadcast journalism, video, ASB, interviews. I can't Ed Puzzle these because they're proprietary. They belong to the guys that make the ASB classrooms. We watch it on their site, and we pay them every year for their content, as we should. So password is 2025. They changed that, so if you're new here, we're going to do the formal interviews one. So log into this, watch the video. There's a quiz on that website. If you want to do a practice quiz on their website and get the correct answers, I'm fine with that. Then you go to this. Where are we? Yeah, then you go back to the quiz here. Side note, Canvas quizzes changed a few years ago. They have an old quiz, which is how I made it last time. There's a new quiz. The rocket is all filled in versus outlined. I'm going to try to make them like this from now on. I didn't know how to make quizzes before, so I learned to do this, and then realized, oh, this is the old way to do it. So I had to relearn how to do that last night I made this one. So there you go. And I think we're done. So 7 questions on the broadcast journalism. Email me if you have questions. I'll be on at Zoom at 1:30, but no one has ever visited my Zoom room. So I don't expect you all to. Shoot me an email if you have questions. I have to respond to a couple of students about some last year work questions, and I need to get clarification on that before I get back to you. And what else do we got? The city is asking all residents to clear sidewalks. So if you can, um, clear your own sidewalk. If you can, clear the sidewalk for somebody who can't on their own. And the sooner we get all that cleared off, the sooner we'll go back to school. Be safe, have a good one, and we'll see you as soon as we can get back into the building.